Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT MAX 3 and let me share with you how to set the timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, so let's find it and tap on it. And since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. As you can see right here on the fourth position from the left, we've got the self timer. So let's tap on it, and here we've got available options. So currently the self timer is off. This option is of course highlighted, as you can see in this orangish color, but we can set to 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me show you, for example, 5 seconds delay. After tapping on it, it will be immediately highlighted. What's more, it is visible right here that we've got the 5-second delay, and after getting back to the camera, you can see here those 5 seconds. So you can check the timer every time you've got the camera opened. So basically all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, your device will count down from 5 or 3 or 10, of course, depending on what option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. So basically this is how the timer works. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just go back to those settings and pick the off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set a camera timer in your CUBOT MAX 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.